The Xiaomi 14, released in November 2023, offers impressive specifications. It features a compact 6.36-inch LTPO OLED display with a high-resolution 1200 by 2670 pixel screen and 120 Hz refresh rate. The smartphone runs on Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS and is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, coupled with 8 to 16 GB of RAM. The camera setup consists of a versatile triple 50 megapixels main camera with Leica lens technology, delivering excellent photo and video quality, including 8K recording. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, has a large 4610 mAh battery with fast charging, and comes in various color options. With its competitive pricing, the Xiaomi 14 is an attractive option for those seeking a high-performance smartphone.